Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Tech Pro, and today in this video I'm actually going to be showing you exactly how to use the PLOP boot manager and create a bootable CD. You can actually use PLOP for multiple reasons. One being maybe you have an old computer and it doesn't allow you to boot off of USB. This will definitely allow you to do that. Or if you have a computer that's maybe newer or just doesn't allow you to boot off USB in general. So you're going to head to the link that's in the description, but basically you're just going to click the newest link. So based off this date right here, I don't think they're actually going to update it anytime soon, so it works just fine, but if they release a newer version, then you just want to click the top one. Now I have pretty fast internet, so it's going to download pretty quickly here. Alrighty guys, so now we can just go ahead and take this download file here and just drag it straight to our desktop. So we can just use File Explorer, but if you have something like WinRAR, that works just fine too. We're going to go ahead and double click the first thing right here where it says PLOP BT. Now you want to click on this top one right here. You just want to go ahead and drag that to your desktop. Okay. You'll see it right there. Now what we want to do with this, we want to go ahead and insert a CD into our computer, which I've already done. And you go ahead and right click this and click burn this image. Now you're going to make sure that you select your correct CD-ROM drive. There should only be one depending on your computer. Certain computers may have more. And then you just want to click burn. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.